Hey guys, the mailman was just here and he brung me something cool. So let's go inside and check it out. Hey guys, the good people at Plantronics sent me an email and wanted to know if I would like to review their new headset. This isn't like their old headsets. It's 100% trucker friendly. Now, I'm not going to do a review yet. This is just going to be the unboxing to let you know what it looks like. But I want to test it out thoroughly before I give it an endorsement. But I like the play on words here. The Voyager 10.4. That's funny, right? So let's see what's inside the box. Wireless headset, wind noise reduction, microphone windsuck. Here's the specifications here. There, you can read that, can't you? Snake boom, precision tuned mic, DSP for superior noise cancellation, 24-hour talk time, 40-day standby time. Pretty average stuff for our headsets. Sweat-proof protection. Got a nano coating, whatever that means. Class 1 Bluetooth. Up to 20 meters, 60 feet range. We're going to test that one real thoroughly. NFC pairing. Alerts in English, Spanish, and French. Takes 2.5 hours to fully charge. Weighs 180 grams. Battery status meter for iPhone, iPad, and Android. Class 1 Bluetooth enabled device required. We got that covered, right? So let's shrink this back down, have a look at it. The box is very pleasing to look at if you like boxes. Just saying. What is inside of the box? Another box. That's a nice box. Can I say box 3 more times? Let's see. Boom. There she goes. That's an awful large windsock, isn't it? I wonder why. Let's put the box away. I can see right off the bat I don't like this cord right here. I don't know about that. Here's your very large glove-friendly volume buttons. Charging port. Off and on button right here, and also it'll be your pairing button. Nice smooth motion on this. Oh, look, it's adjustable. Oh, and it's tight. Okay. Maybe that's why the cord has a flex there. Memory foam. Oh, this is really thick. I'm going to enjoy reviewing this when the time comes. And look how large that top piece is. That might be important for that large windsock. Now they sent me this. I didn't purchase it. They sent it to me and said, "Hey, you want to do a review?" And I said, "Sure, let's do it." Nice and foamy. Oh, what's this red button here for? It's a mute button? Yep, that's a mute button right there. Alright, that's the new Voyager 104 from Plantronics. I will start using it today and get back with you guys.